world known and highlight the successful missions of ISRO. Shashank and Vansh are going to
Mars Orbiter Mission in 2014, popularly known as Mangalyaan, made India the first Asian country to reach.
Early missions, the foundation years. Aryabhatta in 1975, India's first satellite launched by Soviet Union.
National Space Day is just not about rockets, satellites, or distance.
Vinegar, which means acetic acid, and baking soda are being reacted, and
Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, space agency in the world. It was established in 15th of August in 1969. The founding father of ISRO was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai Patel. ISRO's major achievements are launch of Aryabhatta, India's first satellite in 1975, Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan, and so on. So now I will tell you the most popular and successful mission of ISRO.
Fadnavis called Uddhav Sharad Pawar seeking support for it.
India's first human space mission. India has already achieved great success in space with missions like Mangalyaan.
Who was the first Indian to go in space? Yes, you.